Hi, I'm Kruti Thukral. I'm a technical program manager at Duality, and my role is to work with the customers to understand their requirements and ensure we build Falcon, that is Duality's product, and integrate Falcon with the customer workflow and pipeline.
I'm Mike Taylor. I'm our Chief Robotics Officer, and I head up our solutions team, which is really about making sure that the products and services we offer to our customers meet the needs of engineers and roboticists and AI practitioners. So at Duality Robotics, we use virtual worlds to solve real world problems. And that really means helping our customers build robots, intelligent systems, and AI modules better and faster. So it's really about helping our customers leverage the power of the cinema and gaming industries for their jobs. These industries pour billions of dollars into technologies that provide value to these engineers that are working on these projects. But sometimes it can be a little bit hard to access that value. A lot of our customers try these tools, and what they realize is there's a bit of a mismatch between what's there and what their team needs and how they're currently staffed. And so our team supports our customers by providing software that works for engineers, delivers them the information that they need. And we also provide engineering and asset creation services to help round out their teams. And so really this is about helping them get back to building robots and not simulation pipelines. So our customers are building intelligent systems for the real world, and that ranges from mobile robots all the way out to in-place intelligent infrastructure. But building products for the real world requires an immense amount of resources, both data to train and test, staff to run engineering and testing, and certification. And that takes a lot of money and time. So in order to build these systems efficiently, you need to use simulation. And that means you need a physically accurate machine model and couple that with realistic sensors. And that's what we provide. We provide a way to create and leverage your digital twins, not just of your machine, but of your entire operating environment.
Duality serves a wide spectrum of customers in the robotics and AI world. We have customers who build robots for the warehouse automation, autonomous drones for aerial inspection and defense. And on the other end of the spectrum, we help customers build AI-enabled workflows and manufacturing inspection lines for their products. Duality provides a niche solution for difficult problems. In the AI world, the development of accurate ML systems is limited by the availability of a large collection of realistic and labeled data. Duality's realistic environments and highly configurable sensors produce wicked fast, realistic data that can be used by the customers to train their ML systems. And in the world of robotics, building and testing of a robot in the actual field is often not feasible and incurs massive costs. Duality aims to simplify this process of building complex intelligent machines for the customers. Duality's large-scale simulation environments help customers to validate their end-to-end automation workflow and the safe operation of their machines and in really diverse conditions.
We can do it much more efficiently than we could in the real world. And what that requires is highly accurate physical simulation of your base machine. And we need to bring in with that very highly realistic sensor data, because that's the flow. It's the robot understanding where it is and perceiving the world and making choices about how to act next. And your simulation needs to match the real world. And what's really great about, this job is that we get to go talk to folks that are like me, that build robots, that want to work on really cool things and show them that there's another way to do it, that you don't have to always just go to your proving grounds. You can use simulation for a large part of your development process to speed things up and to make a better product at the end of the day.
I would say the one problem that the customers are facing, right? For example, say you have they're building an autonomous systems in very difficult environments, say in an oil rig. And then how do you test your drones when you don't have access to a physical world? So having the leveraging Duality's products so that they can test their entire system in the simulated world is something that they're looking for. So some of the challenges are around availability of the physical space, as well as availability of labeled as well as realistic data that can train their AI systems.
In order for a vibrant digital twin ecosystem to really form, we believe there needs to be an open ecosystem with standards for interoperability between all of the tools that will come in. So we believe that we need to establish a unified way to think about digital twins across all of the various industries that use them. And if we can do that as an industry, we all win. And so being part of DTC allows us to be part of that conversation.